How we doing, everyone? Here we have a Breville 800. This unit had the steam on wasn't really working well, but we fixed that. We replaced some gaskets and did a descale. First, I'm gonna run a shot to show you that the machine is working. There's a shot. And then let's run some steam. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.